everybody, and welcome. This is a Legacy School spelling lesson for Year 6, Week 11. For this lesson, you'll need your spelling book, Sheet 11, spelling extras book, vocabulary sheet 11, and your dictionary, of course. Alright, so today we will practice words that have the suffix OUS following the letter E. It is a less common variant of the suffix IOUS, which we studied in the previous lesson. For example, in the words gracious and malicious. Unlike the I in shus, which is sometimes pronounced and sometimes not, the E in the suffix es is nearly always spoken, although the sound it makes is an I rather than an E. The main exception is when E is part of the soft G spelling, as in gorgeous. We don't pronounce it gorgeous. We pronounce it gorgeous because the E is borrowed to change the G into a soft G. Outrageous, same thing, and courageous. And of course, advantageous as well. So let's have a look at our new spelling list. We have the word hideous, which means ugly or disgusting to look at. Gorgeous, which means beautiful or attractive. Piteous, deserving or arousing pity. Gaseous, relating to or having the characteristics of gas. Righteous, of a person or conduct morally right or justifiable. Outrageous, which is shockingly bad or excessive. Courageous, the ability to control your fear in a dangerous or difficult situation. Also, brave could be a synonym of courageous. Courteous, which means polite, respectful, or considerate in manner. Bounteous, an old-fashioned word meaning very, very generous. We have the word erroneous. It comes from the word error, which means wrong or based on an idea that is not true. Nauseous, feeling as if you might vomit, causing disgust. Advantageous, which means helpful or having a good effect. Extraneous, not relevant to a particular subject. Simultaneous, happening at exactly the same time. Spontaneous, which means not planned or happening suddenly. Miscellaneous, which means including many different or unconnected things. Instantaneous, happening immediately. And last but not least, discourteous, showing rudeness and lack of consideration for other people, which is the opposite of our spelling word courteous. All right, so now that we have all of our words, let's have a look at our classwork / homework. We have vocabulary sheet 12 and spelling sheet 12 as well. So we have them here. For spelling sheet 12, on the left-hand side of the page, you're going to divide all of your spelling words into syllables, like we usually do. And then the first question is, which of these meanings correctly describes a spelling word? We have bounteous, spontaneous, and miscellaneous. You're going to circle the correct definition for them. And then it says, write 6 noun phrases using the spelling list adjectives. So the difference between a phrase and a clause is very important for us to know. A clause is a group of words that includes a verb, but a phrase does not include a verb. It's usually just a subject with an adjective. So we have the words hideous, gorgeous, piteous, outrageous, courageous, and courteous. Let's do the first one together. Hideous. An example of a noun phrase might be the hideous painting. If I say the painting was hideous, this would not be a noun phrase because was is a verb. I want a phrase without a verb. And then after you write your noun phrases, I want you to draw a picture to illustrate one of these phrases. We can flip to the next page where we have a few of our root words written down. Outrage, bounty, court, error, pity, right, instant, nausea, courage, and advantage. To change these words into adjectives, we add our suffix EOUS. So for example, outrage would change into outrageous. And then to change it into an adverb, we would add an additional suffix ly. So outrage would become outrageously. After you're done with that, you're going to parse the sentence given below. The courageous heroes received their medals courteously. You're also going to go ahead and open up your spelling extras book and answer all of the questions on vocabulary sheet 12. These are definitions that you're going to match to the spelling words. And then after that, you are going to choose the correct alternative word in a sentence. Thank you. I can't wait to see your work, and stay safe.